It is Saturday afternoon. The weather is beautiful, sunny with a nice breeze. Sandy and I are out for our afternoon walk. Sandy is a big dog. She is the biggest dog in the neighborhood. Today we pass a few dog friends along the way. Sandy is very happy to see all of them. She wags her tail and says hello. She is doing great today. She is calm and friendly with every dog and person we meet. We walk our usual loop around the neighborhood. It is a really good afternoon. At the end of the loop, we always cross at the same signal. We do this every week. As we get close to the corner, I can see the walk sign. It starts to flash. We are close, very close. We could still make it if we move fast. For a second, I think about it. Should I make Sandy run? She loves to run, but I look back. There is a family right behind us. A mother and a small child are walking up to the same corner. I don't want to rush across in front of them with a big dog. I decide to stop. Sandy sits down next to me on the sidewalk. She waits. The walk sign is still flashing. We could still cross, but we stay. Then a young man comes up fast from behind. He doesn't slow down. He steps off the curb and crosses the street. The sign is still flashing. He doesn't look back. He just goes. The mother is standing near me. She watches him cross the street. She looks down at her child and says quietly, "Don't copy him." The child watches for a moment. Then he nods. A few seconds later, the light changes. The walk sign is green now. It is our turn. Sandy and I step off the curb together. We cross at the right time. I think about what the mother said. I didn't plan to be an example. I just stopped because it felt right. I am glad I did. Sandy trots beside me across the street. She has no idea what just happened, but I do. And today, that is enough.